The Inriver story really started in 2020. The pandemic hit and it drastically changed our business. Within 3 weeks of the shutdown, our sales were down almost 70%. We had to make a very quick strategic shift and into the janitorial, the cleaning supplies, personal protective equipment, sanitation supplies. We had thousands of products to get online and we just could not get them on the website fast enough. So we looked at all the market leaders in the product information space and ultimately Inriver was the one that really stood out. But ultimately what sold it to us was that when we spoke to them versus when we spoke to the competitors, they wanted to understand our business problems. They wanted to bring solutions to the table. They wanted a partnership, and we wanted to invest in a partner. And that was really critical to us. Within the first 6 months, we had doubled our speed to market. So pre-Inriver, we were taking roughly an average of 7 days to get items online, and within 6 months we had that under 3. And so in another year, we're actually able to get that down to 2.3. And I just think those are insane numbers to be able to accomplish in such a short period of time with this platform. Before, it was such a struggle. We had legacy systems that that were 10 years old. So when you talk about the time that took, comparatively now, where we can get stuff imported into Inriver, and we have automation now too. An item is born in our ERP and it gets directly ported into Inriver in seconds. When you talk about what we were able to do before versus what we're able to do now, it's transformational. So with Inspire, we're able to generate attributes in system, on platform, reducing all that friction, reducing that time to market. And the greatest part of it is the accuracy rates. We're getting 80 to 90+% accuracy rates with the generative AI. We've been testing with a GPT-5 model and we're seeing 95+% accuracy rates. We put Inriver up against the best and brightest companies out there and they still came out the shining star. And with the impact that they've had on our company, it's undeniable their alignment with where the technology is going and their alignment with your business. And it's just been a great experience through and through.